Welcome to our national adventure. This week we're in Louisville, checking out the Brown Hotel. Hi, if you haven't met us yet, this is Andrew. I'm Alison. This is Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe. Don't forget to hit subscribe to never miss an adventure. Louisville is known for horse racing and bourbon, but there's a ton of things to do in this downtown, and it is a beautiful, clean downtown. You've got world-class museums, legendary boxing, live entertainment, restaurants, and buzzing bars. There's actually something to do everywhere here. But in terms of places to stay, there's nothing better than the Brown Hotel. The Brown Hotel was rated #1 hotel in Kentucky and #1 hotel in the South. It's won numbers of awards and accolades and is the Traveler's Choice Award winner. It was built by a wealthy Louisville businessman, J. Graham Brown. And the Brown Hotel opened in downtown Louisville at the corners of 4th and Broadway on October 25th, 1923. That year, Louisville was the 34th largest city in the country with a population of 235,000. 4th Street was already an established promenade, and the Brown Hotel became the cornerstone of the Magic Corner. In the decades since, the historic hotel has played a starring role in the life of Louisville. This Georgian revival elegance and timeless Southern charm is anchored in the downtown Louisville, has a firm grasp on history, paired with the 21st century appreciation for hospitality. This landmark hotel is at the corners of 4th and Broadway and blends a breathtaking architectural and modern amenities and services most of the discerning travelers of today. From the exquisite event space to the city's finest dining, the Brown Hotel infuses every experience with gentility and refinement. The hotel quickly became the city's busiest social center, bringing new energy to downtown Louisville. Soon, a lavish theater, a church, a large medical and professional building opened just adjacent to the hotel. And by 1925, Graham Brown built the Brown Office Building just east of the hotel, which included the recently refurbished Brown Theater. The Hot Brown was born at the Brown Hotel in 1920 when Chef Fred Schmidt created it to cater to the late-night hunger cravings of the hotel's dinner dance guests. It includes an open-faced white turkey Mornay sauce, which is a cheese-based white sauce, bacon, and tomatoes. It is thick and it is filling. The Hot Brown has become a beloved Louisville tradition, and it's featured in numerous publications and media outlets. It's been featured in Southern Living, the Los Angeles Times, the Wall Street Journal, and various television shows. The Brown Hotel continues to serve the Hot Brown in its restaurants, bar, and through in-room dining. It's definitely something you have to try when you stay here. Dripping in history and gorgeous interiors, the ornate features are not only older, they're also useful. They've got a mail drop on every floor, so you can drop a postcard and it goes into the mailbox, which is currently picked up by U.S. Mail Services today. Pretty cool. Each of the hotel rooms are comfortable beds as well as bathrooms. Your bathrooms are fully stocked with your shower. You've got a safe inside of your closets. Your closets are huge. They've got everything you need at the Louisville Brown Hotel, and if it's not in the hotel room, just call down to service and they will bring it up for you. So we had 2 beds and a couch in our room. Yes, the views are not phenomenal, but just outside the hotel is phenomenal. You can walk the streets here. These are clean streets and it's a pretty bustling, active community. Beautiful artwork all throughout the town. I loved walking through the town. I felt very safe and I felt like it was a really neat and eclectic town. They have a main center which is covered for events and music, which I thought was really interesting, so that no matter what the weather was like, they actually could still have their music venues happening. Lots of restaurants. As I said before, this is the town of Bourbon, so if you're interested in going to our brewery, tons of opportunities for that. We will see you in our next video. We're actually going to be taking you into the historic theater. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.